My name is Mugat. Today we have just completed our 2-day training on ROS. So I think this is a very value added course, and then value for money, because this 2-day course only costs around 500 to 600, 550 to be exact. And then I can see that the other courses offered by other trainers, some might cost up to 2,000 or 3,000, and this course is very cheap. And then, I mean, the content is quite comprehensive. I mean, of course, it's for beginner, and I think for me is comprehensive. Kennedy did his homework and make all the preparation. And then I can see that he is very young, talented, and then very passionate in robotic, and then very, of course, young guy, energetic. He tried his best to make sure that all the participants understand, even a very basic stuff. He is very patient, and very patient. Try his best to make sure that all the participants understood the content. So I really hope that I can go further in more advanced, or maybe immediate to an advanced module is available. So I recommend for those who are interested in robotic to get this session and then learn from Kennedy, so that we can also have a community in robotic, a Malaysian community in robotic using ROS, and maybe, of course, not just focus using Arduino, I mean the toy level project. So we should go further advanced in robotic. Then thank you, Kennedy. Good job.
Okay, good day. So basically this weekend I had to learn about robotic operating system, which is ROS. So as we can see at the back, HelloWorld Robotics. So it is a good course where it's necessary these days. So ROS is something new, which it's something new for me actually. So from the day one, that was yesterday, I got to know the basic programming skills that we require in ROS. So which is OOP, as our trainer mentioned, it's a basic need, and also C++. So basically it's a good information that I gained this weekend. So in day one we had the basic knowledge on how we're supposed to know how the basic movement of a robot. So how it moves, and when we sense how it senses. So after Arduino, so robotics is also a good thing for people to know. And thank you to Kennedy, I got a lot of information from him. So it's a good job actually. And today it's more on the real robot, how it moves and everything. So hoping that I'll get more knowledge and it will help the youngsters for the future and better Malaysia.
Okay, so we've been through two-day course regarding installing, developing, and simulate in ROS environment, robotic operating system on Ubuntu operating system. Okay, actually before attending to this course, I quite frequently heard about robotic on the very typical Arduino-based developing in sequential programming language. But for this ROS course, it involving the C++ object-oriented programming. Usually the typical robotic system is not measuring accuracy and even the angle accurately, but for this course, everything matters. Angles, calculation, algorithm, even to communicate with the hardware. It is such a very big scope of study. How the robot can be very smart, very accurate, measuring the surrounding object, and very smart obstacle avoiding algorithm. How they calculate the speed and collision rate, collision effect, is all matter in ROS. Robot that built by HelloWorld Robotics can be, and it is very smart and impressive.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Nama saya Siddiq daripada SG Academy. So selama 2 hari kursus ROS, apa yang saya telah dapat pelajari adalah semua informasi berkenaan dengan ROS lah, tentang robotic operating system. Dan selama 2 hari kos ini juga Mr. Kennedy telah menunjukkan apakah cara-cara ataupun kaedah-kaedah untuk memulakan pembangunan robot, bermulanya daripada pengatur caraan menggunakan terminal Ubuntu, seterusnya menggunakan perisian simulasi robot, iaitu seperti gazebo dan juga RVs. So harapan saya, sekiranya ada program-program seumpamanya yang akan diadakan selepas ini, saya akan berminat untuk menyertai dan untuk meneruskan pembelajaran dalam bidang robot. Sekian, terima kasih.